Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to be bringing you this new on-trend spring gel polish collection. So here are the names of these gorgeous polishes. So you got Mojito Ice, Beaches and Cream, Fiji Water, Coral Whip, Buttercup and just Lavish. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, all of Kiki London's colour collections are based on season trends. So these are the spring colours for 2019. And they do this to make sure that nail techs and salons that use their products are using the on-trend colours for this season. But if you don't go to the salon to have your nails done, if like me you do them yourself at home, you can still be getting the on-trend spring colours for 2019. So everybody's sorted. Isn't that just fabulous? And as you can see, the formula on these products is just perfect. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, there's no nasty smells or anything like that when you open the bottles. It's just regular gel polish smell, and these products are high quality. They are cruelty and vegan free as well. So obviously I am just swatching these today, so you would need to prep your nails ready for a gel manicure, obviously if you're doing these on your own nails. If you're unsure how to do that, I can leave you a link to a video that I've previously done that goes into that into more detail. So I am just going over now, making sure that this is a nice thin even coverage. You want to make sure that if there's any lumps and bumps like here, you just go back over it, smooth it all out. It's really going to help with making your mani last longer, and make sure obviously that you do seal that free edge. Then you go ahead and pop that into your lamp. The cure and details are on screen, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat. And this is only going to need 2 coats to be fully opaque, so that's just fabulous. And how gorgeous is that colour? So they do have a duo no wipe pack. So this is the glossy version. They do have a matte version, which I'll be showing you in a moment. So this is a high shine top coat as well. It is absolutely fabulous. Again, their top coats don't have any nasty smells, and I do know from wearing these polishes on a regular basis that I get about 3 weeks wear out of them, which is absolutely fabulous. Some nail techs and salons get even up to like 5 or 6 weeks wear, but 3 weeks is enough for me. So yeah, so you get a real good length of mani as well. So this is the other polish that will be in their dual pack of no wipe top coat. So obviously this is the matte version. I do love the new packaging on this as well. It looks really professional and expensive. So I will be showing you these colours in a matte finish as well. So you would just apply it like normal, and again cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. And how amazing is that matte? It is so gorgeous. There is no shine whatsoever coming from this nail. So here are the both of them together, so you can see the glossy and the matte together. So both are absolutely fabulous. The glossy is definitely high shine and the matte is definitely matte. And here are all of the nails done with the matte finish, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love polishes whether they are matte or glossy. And yeah, these are no exception. They look absolutely stunning. So moving on now, this is Beaches and Cream, and oh, it's so beautiful. It is a proper, like almost like a sandy colour, and it just looks absolutely fabulous. I don't think I've got a colour like this in my collection, so I'm really pleased to have this one. So for the rest of the swatches, I'm just going to show you the first coat, and then this is going to be it fully done. I'll show you how many coats it's taken, and this is it top coated with obviously the glossy finish, and this is it with a matte, and oh my goodness, doesn't that just look so stunning? You could well do some gorgeous beach manis even with this, using that colour. So this next one is Fiji Water, and it is such a gorgeous shade of like blue and green. Fabulous. So this again was another 2 coats, and it looks so stunning in the glossy version. It almost looks like a swimming pool or, you know, some tropical sea. And this is it with matte, which again looks fantastic. So you can still buy these on pre-sale. The pre-sale does end on Monday, so if you want to get this gel polish collection for cheaper than normal, then you need to make sure that you head over to their store before Monday and purchase them. So pre-sale, they are $26.99 for the 6 polishes, which I think is real good value for money for the quality of product that you are getting as well. Now I will be doing a comparison of this new spring collection with their old spring collection from last year, just so you can get to see like the range of colours. There are discount codes as well, so there's a discount code if you just buy this new spring collection, but you do get a bigger discount if you buy the new and old spring collection together, and like all details of that are in the description box below, so make sure that you go and check out there. Like I say, for all of the details, and obviously there will be a link there as well, so if you click that it will take you straight to their store. So sorry about this, I thought I pressed record to show you it with the matte video, but I just put a video there. And obviously I will be putting my swatches of these over on my Instagram as well. So my Instagram is at Gelulicious, and I would imagine obviously Kiki London are going to be showcasing these on their Instagram as well. And all details of that are in the description box below. So make sure you check them out on Instagram, and no doubt you'll be seeing other people that are swatching these as well, like their nail techs and things like that. But I just think it's an absolutely gorgeous spring collection. It's got some real gorgeous colours in it. Obviously this one is fabulous, I love it. So I thought that I would show you real quick the old spring collection, which obviously they brought out last year. So that is on the top row, which again is beautiful colours for spring. I absolutely loved it. So I didn't swatch these obviously when they came out because I hadn't heard of Kiki London at that point. But I have used them in spring inspired manis, which I've left I can put a link to a playlist too, so you can go and check those out. But I think the old and new collection together are absolutely fantastic. They are a gorgeous variety of the spring colours. I love both collections, and definitely will be using them more and more here on Kiki London's channel. So that is it from me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching it. If I have not answered any of your questions, then leave me a comment in the comments box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you with that. So it's been a pleasure swatching these for you today, Jelly Babes. Thank you so much for watching them. Please press that subscribe button if you've not done so, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.